Lenny Besterman's Sarasota Experience. We're over here at the UTC Mall. The UTC Mall is just west of Interstate 75, north of Fruitville Road, and just south of University. Most people take University to get here, but in the middle of the night on Friday, which was the day after Thanksgiving, I brought my drone out and filmed this place. There was no traffic, no cars, no people, and you would not believe the difference with no spill lighting from the headlights. I definitely recommend you come out here if you can the first week, the week about Thanksgiving time. What they do is they leave them on all night to tweak the lights. It's a great time to just walk around and check it out. Also, when you're doing your Christmas shopping, this is the place to go. There are lights everywhere. It's beautiful. I'm very proud of this edit I just did. So check it out, like and subscribe. Make sure you comment on the work. I think it really turned out good. I've been trying to get a shot like this from the drone for a long time. Also, you local people, if you're interested in me coming out filming your house with Christmas lights, photography, I'm charging $100, and video edits are a little different. But if you're interested in that and you're in the Sarasota-Bradenton area, love the chance to come out and take some photos from the drone of your house. They made it, I am a certified 107 pilot, and I have the proper lighting on the drone now to fly at night. So I'd love that opportunity. Take a look at the drone video that I just did. Just check it out. Let me know what you think. Lenny Besterman's Sarasota Experience.